How to enable Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about whether it is possible to enable Blox Fruits. So enabling the Blox Fruits means activating features in Blox Fruits. So the enable command is for admins only. Both the enable and the disable commands are only for the administrator and not regular players. Administrator can use enable to turn the title drop, and this feature allows you to earn your in-game title when you are defeated in player versus player combat. It can only be used by the users with special titles such as YouTubers or administrators. They can use this command. Most players cannot use it. If you're using keyboard and mouse on a console and your devil fruit moves aren't working, some console players have reported needing to reset their character multiple times after disconnecting their controller. One player on the Reddit suggested continuously resetting your character using the keyboard and mouse until the controls switch over. Therefore, if your console controls aren't functioning properly, try disconnecting your controller and resetting your character several times. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.